Hi, good morning. Good morning to all my business partners all over the globe. Here I am again. Today, I'm going to show you the right instructions on how we use this necklace. Guys, this is at the Eye Protect. This is exclusively distributed by M Global. First thing, we have to take out the packet inside. Here's it, guys. We need to open our pendant. Place it like this. We will close it and make sure that the pendant is always exposed just like this. Guys, the thing I put inside, this is only valid for 2 months. So after 60 days, we have to replace the old one to a new one. Guys, this necklace, this is not just an ordinary necklace. This is the necklace that can really help us to be protected every day as long as we are wearing this. Guys, the thing I put inside, this is the thing that can prevent any kind of viruses that can come near us. So we are very certain that we are safe while we are wearing this wherever we go. So be protected every day and everywhere. To all the people out there, try our Eye Protect 24/7, just to make sure that we are protected every day. This is made by USA, and sabi nga nila, why spend money on remedies when you can save those important to you even before they get affected? Guys, lalong-lalo na sa mga sakitin, try our Eye Protect and be protected wherever you go, 24/7. So, to all people out there, PM nyo lang ako kung gusto nyo i-try. And I can help you to have this as soon as possible. And to all my business partners, power. Keep up the good work and tuloy-tuloy lang. Thank you so much M Global for providing us very amazing products that all people really needed. This is one of the best products. So thank you for providing us this kind of technology. Because sometimes when our family are sick, the people around us, especially our loved ones, are exposed to the same harm, and it's very consequences. So much more better to wear this every day. It's really a big help to us to stay healthy and protected from any kind of viruses. So thank you so much M Global. This is all for today. Thank you and power.